Hey everybody, my name is Christopher Canthu. I'm a licensed professional counselor with the Mission School District. Today we'll be talking about breathing relaxation. This is something that we can do whenever we're feeling anxious or nervous in some way. Start off by breathing in slowly through your nose, holding your breath, breathing out through your mouth slowly, and then holding. You can repeat this process as many times as you feel is necessary until you start to feel a little more calm. Let me show you what I mean. Again, you can repeat this process as many times as you feel will be helpful for you. If you have any questions or concerns about your mental health, please contact your school counselor, or you can contact the Student Services Department at 323-5578.